Akiaria ri mwena wa Eldoret Uasin Gishu, Ogamba augite arutwo acio makihariria kuingira university mweri wa kenda matibatie gukorwo na haho ni amu kamiti ya mwanya ya guthurima mũtaratara wa marĩhi ma university uria utungitie uregani ukiriirie gutemania riboti yayo iria iguteithia mũtaratara ucio huthike wina mogaruruku.
That report is being completed. They are finalizing it. Once it is finalized, we'll discuss their recommendations therein and how they have dealt with the teething problems that were there in the previous model. So we are doing something on that aspect so that come September, when the new cohort is joining, they will be utilizing a model that is fit for purpose, that does not have the challenges that the previous model had.
Mũtaratara ucio uria wanjĩrĩirie kuhuthika mweri wa kenda wa mwaka wa 2023 ni wĩrĩga kũrũgamio nĩ igoti, no Ogamba arauga ũthũrimi mwerũ uria ũratabanio igũrũ rĩa mũtaratara ucio ni ũgũteithia kũrehe ũigananu gĩthomo-inĩ.
The funding model, as you are aware, the president had formed a team that was reviewing, the presidential review team that was formed in September last year. It has done a fantastic job in reviewing and taking into account all those issues that Kenyans raised, including what was raised in that court case, so that what now is going to be debated, what is going to come out is a model that is fit for purpose.
Maya magithie na mbere, nake mwandiki mukaru wa ministry ya githomo Belio Kipsang ni orotete bunge akiuga niyo irahinga kigina gia kurugamirira githomo, kuria orotete abunge ni gukorwo hindi ciothe makinyihia kigina kiria ministry irenda, undu uria urahinga marĩhi ma githomo. Augete arutwo mabatie kurihirwo ciringi 20,000 o murutwo hari o mwaka, no bunge ihitukagia ciringi 17,000 hari o murutwo. Mathomo ma JSS ministry yendaga ciringi bilioni 46, no yaheirwo bilioni 30, uria augite ni matumire macukuru nuthu ya mbeca cia tamu ya mbere, no nuthu iyo ingi igakinyira macukuru kiumia giukite. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Muthoni wa Wanyeki.